Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. How to find a good companion in the blood group. Probably everyone wants to find a reliable partner in life. Today in East Asia, an unusual way of personal acquaintances is gaining popularity. Men and women identify a suitable partner for them, according to his blood group. The Japanese are guided by the blood factor even when hiring. It would seem nonsense, but no. At the heart of this recruiting is the old method of Ketsu Ikigata, which means that the ideal collective can be created with certain combinations of blood groups of its participants. Yuri Levchenko, a specialist in psychosomatics, gives a scientific explanation. He says that blood cells have memory, and people with one blood group are sick with the same diseases. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.